Hello and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Thursday the 27th of November with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a look at gold. And this consolidation in gold had a bit of a spike lower overnight. I'll go quickly to this hourly chart because we've been trading sideways for pretty much 3 days solid in a row, going nowhere. Had a spike low overnight, which has basically been retraced. I don't see that spike overnight has done a great deal to this chart. I think you could argue that it now puts a bit of a higher low in place, but I would still be using near term. If you're going to play it near term in front of this Swiss gold referendum, I'd be using sort of near term dips as a buying opportunity to play the range. But ultimately, I think gold is going to basically go sideways for the rest of the week until we get this gold referendum on Sunday in Switzerland. Once we get that referendum out of the way, I think we could see a bit more volatility returning to the gold chart, and likely to be quite interesting once again. But the outlook is still retaining a positive bias on this chart. You've still got this sequence of higher lows in place, maybe another higher low around 185.50. 1,185.50 G. But looking at these momentum indicators, slightly lost momentum to the upside, but again that's due to the fact that we're basically sort of trading sideways, I think, in front of this referendum. So how much weighting you give to those momentum indicators near term, I'm not really sure, because I just think this is, as I said, just a mere consolidation in front of this referendum, and I think we're going to get renewed direction after that. But at the moment, it certainly looks like, with the fact that we're still finding support above that 1,180 key old floor that became resistance, which has become the floor again. I think the fact that we're trading above that would suggest we're still retaining a positive bias on the near to medium term basis. And I think ultimately any sort of dip before Sunday, any sort of dip back towards 1,185, I think is a chance to buy, just to retrace this move back within the range. So pretty much that's it. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.